your hands, everyone. Close your eyes. Everyone switch on your video. I want to see. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. I want to see everyone. Close your eyes. You are with me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my fire. You are define me. My potential inside. Today, I praised with all my mind. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Just rub your hand, everyone. Rub, rub, rub. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Again, rub your hands. Do everyone. I want to see. Do everyone. Switch on your video and I want to see. Rub your hands. Switch on your video, parents. I want to see. Nishwant only has. I am audible to everyone. Switch on your video. I want to see everyone. Only Nishwant was there. Switch on your video, parents. Jashna. Kosh.
The video is on, ma'am.
Please switch on your video. I couldn't able to see, ma'am.
Can see now?
Yeah. I got it. Yeah, ma'am. Kaushik, what happened? Kaushik, please switch on your video. Yes. Nishwant, switch on your video. Shall I play a dance song? Everyone excited for the dance? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Show me your thumb.
Yes.
If yes, show me your thumb like this. Yes. I will play.
Your video is going on and off at times.
Just a second. I will play. Okay, sir. Any network issues there, sir?
Maybe, yeah. That could be the reason. I think the same with others as well. We are not able to see the video of others. Maybe they are.
No issue, sir. I'm audible or not? Please confirm me, sir.
Yes, you're audible for me.
Properly?
Yeah, you're audible for me. Yeah.
Okay. I'm audible for everyone. Can you please confirm? Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I will start a dance, okay? Song. Everyone stand up.
Stand up.
And switch on your video. Everyone stand up and switch on your video. I want to see. Jashna, switch on your video. Kaushik.
Stand up.
Nishwant, please switch on your video. Harshit.
Ma'am, the video is on only, ma'am.
Harshit, switch on your video.
Harshit.
Okay.
Should we try connecting back again? Okay.
Super
Two roll. Hold your hand.
And then you say it.
Right side. Left side. Up,
One time left, one time right.
down. Down. Down, everyone, down. Shake your body. Shake your body.
Papa, shake your body. Shake your body. Tarasa.
Okay. Very good. I will clap for everyone. So much energetic, huh? Nishwan, did you like this?
Did you like Nishu?
Did you like this?
Say yes or no.
Yes, okay. Sarvesh, can you please switch on your video? Kanna, please. I will ask attendance and everyone what has to say. Here I am. What you has to say? When I will ask her child name, if I ask Jasna, Jasna has to say, ma'am, here I am. Do like this. Here I am. Okay? What have to do? What you have to say? Here I am not present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No. Only you have to say, here I am. What you have to say? Here I am. Okay? Okay. I will ask. Shall we start our attendance? Harshit, where are you? Harshit, where are you?
Here I am. Harshit, say, where are you? Here I am.
Harshit, where are you?
Say,
Here I am. Say, here I am.
here I am.
Okay. Now is Kaushik. Kaushik, where are you? Say, here I am. Please switch on your video, Kaushik. Okay. Sarvesh. Sarvesh. Sarvesh, where are you? Sarvesh, where are you? Okay. Say, here I am. Jasna. Jasna.
Here I am. Here I am.
See, here I am. Here I am. See, here I am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Nishwant. Yes, here I am. Here I am. P. Nishwant. See, here I am. Here I am. Wow. So everyone has present today, am I right? Okay. Everyone has present now. Show me your thumb like this. Switch on your video. Everyone go on mute. Go and mute. Switch on your video. I want to see everyone. I can't see anyone. Switch on your video. Then I will do a rhymes. Then we do a activity. Please switch on your video and go in mute. I can't able to see anyone. Yes. What about Jasna, Kaushik, Sarvesh, Harshit? Where are you? Everyone, come. Switch on your screen. Yes, please switch on your camera, ma'am. Jasna, parents, can you please switch on your parents? Switch on the video, sir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Kaushik, parents. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Could you see this video?
No, ma'am, I could not able to see you, ma'am.
It's on only,
Can you
ma'am.
please switch on your video?
Ma'am, we can see others'
only
video.
see Nish. Okay.
We can see other kids'
Maybe
video.
network issue will be. Okay. Okay. We do a rhyme. Yesterday, what rhymes I taught you? Can anyone tell me, please? Please remind me. I reminder of your side. Can you please tell me? You have to tell me loudly. I want to hear your voice.
No.
What rhymes I taught you
Yes, ma'am, this
yesterday?
is Sarvesh father. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, he's on the video now. He's having water. Have you seen? Sarvesh.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I know survey, sir. Yeah, tell me, sir.
He's in the video now.
Service parent.
He's sitting there now.
Yeah,
Slowly,
yeah,
because it will take time.
I
Little
could
bit.
not able to see now.
He slowly is entering
Okay.
to the video part. It will take time little bit. Just
Okay,
in
no
between,
issues.
just find it. Sorry, in between, just always you just keep on call Sarvesh. Then he will slowly will be.
Sure. Sure, I will read her name. I will read everyone's name. Okay.
Thanks.
Shall we start our rhymes? Yesterday, what rhymes I taught you? Kaushik, you want to tell me what rhymes yesterday I taught you? Please remind me. I will count it from here.
From start.
We, yes, Mr. Bus, what? Baba Black Sheep, and ABCD, and another one what? Twinkle, twinkle. Yes, am I right or not? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Show me. Yes. I taught you this rhyme yesterday. Shall we do alphabet rhymes once again? Shall we sing together? Okay. Sing together. A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O. Please mute. Everyone, please mute. Otherwise, my voice will be sound. Okay. Please go and mute. Yes. G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time go sing with me.
ABCD.
Yay! Everyone clap. Do clap.
Clap.
Do a new clapping activity. Shall I show you a new way of clap?
Clap.
Now I will show you a rain clap. Observe here. How to do rain clap? How to do rain clap? Do you know anyone rain clap?
New clap.
Rain clap you don't know, na? I will show you. Put your hands like this. Another hand, only one finger.
One finger
Keep
mark.
it.
One finger.
One drop is coming. One drop is coming way. One. Clap, clap, clap.
ma'am.
Pita, 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 pita. Then second drop. Pita, 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 pita. The second drop is coming. Second drop is coming. Pita, 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 pita. Third drop is coming. Pita, 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 pita. Fourth drop is coming. Pita, 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 pita. Oh, rain is coming fastly. Yeah, 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 yeah. See, it is coming down, 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 down. See, again, come up, up, up. Down, 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 down. See, rain is becoming very fastly. Softly. How the rain is coming? Did you saw how rain is coming? Ooh. Yeah, like this. Pita, 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 pita. Pita, 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 pita. How we say? You want to play in rainy day, na? But you can't go outside to play, na? What you have to say to rain? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. You will sing this rhyme when rain is coming? Say yes. You will sing this rhyme, na?
Come again.
Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. Little Johnny wants to
Another
play.
day.
Rain, rain, go away.
Little issue wants to play.
Sarvesh, just come. Please switch on your video, Kanna, please.
Rain, go away. Rain,
Okay.
go
Shall we do
away.
wheels on the bus? Go.
Go away.
Wheels
Go
on the
away.
bus go round and round, round and
missing.
round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all to the town. The door on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus go open and shut, all to the town. Bus on the bus go squeeze,
Because on the
squeeze,
bus goes.
squeeze, 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 squeeze. The bypass on the bus go squeeze, 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 all to the town. The light on the bus go on and off, on and off, on and off. The light on the bus go on and off, on and off, on and off. The light on the bus go on and off, on and off, all through the town. The baby on the bus go wow, 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 wow. The baby is on the bus go wow, 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 all through the town. The daddy on the bus go I love you, I love you,
Up and down.
I
Up and down.
love you. The daddy on the bus go I love you, all through the town. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yay! Yay! Just rocket clap. Yay! Choo! Yay! Choo! Yay! Choo! Boom! Yay! Choo! Boom! Do how the rocket sound will become? What is the rocket sound? Boom! Boom! Like this, clap, clap. Rocket will become down from clap. Boom! Clap. Boom! Like this, rocket will become na. Did you saw in sky? Rocket will be there na. Did you saw or not? Say me yes or not. Did you saw?
Okay.
Yes, I think you saw. Yes. Or otherwise you see today, okay? It will be there in rocket in the sky. Rocket will become like this. Boom. Okay. Shall we do our activity today? What activity we can do first? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what activity? Vegetables and socks activity. See, I have both activities. You want to see? See, I have a sock.
Socks the shoe.
Show me your socks. Show me your socks. Show me your socks, everyone. Show me your socks. I want to see. I already saw Jasna socks, and I want to see another one. Yeah, show me. Yeah, show me. Yes, show me your socks. Wow, how colorful socks you have. I don't have this colorful socks. I'm feeling very sad. I don't have, see, I have no colorful socks. I have very plain socks. I'm feeling very sad. What I do now? Wow, oh my God, you have a very colorful socks, everyone. Oh, very good. I don't have. Okay, we'll do this colorful socks activity. That activity name is what? Activity name is matching and shorting activity. What is that activity name? Matching and shorting.
Matching and sorting. Matching
Yeah.
and sorting.
Yes, you have to sort and I have to match. And you can match, I will sort. Okay? Say done. Say done. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Do dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 do. Okay. Yes. I've just a second. Again, I will join to see you and I will. Yes, just a second. I will join in another device. Yes. Are you able to see me? Yes. A second. Yeah, I'm ready. See, arranged parents, see here. Did you see? See my screen? Did you see? Arrange like this. 3 socks. Any 3 socks. Arrange like this. I want to see. Please switch on. Arrange your socks like this. Yes. Arrange. Arrange like this. Did you saw or not? Please, can you anyone confirm?
Socks
Yes, like this. Yes. See, I'm arranging. See, I'm arranging like this. I want to show you. Did you see or not? Please tell me. Please, anyone confirm? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Please arrange like this. I want to see everyone. I want to see. Yes, arrange like this. Everyone arrange. Show me your thumb. Little bit gap. Put little bit gap. Yeah. Put little gap. Yes, very good. Now I will arrange this, okay? I will ask it, okay? One by one. Go and unmute and say me the answer. Is this the correct pair? Survey, can you please tell me? Survey, is this correct pair to this?
Harshit. What a soft product.
same color.
Service. Where is service? Yes. Is this a correct pair? See, yes or no? No. This is not a correct pair. Is this a correct pair? Do like this, everyone? I will ask, then you will do. Okay? First you see me, then you have to repeat. Okay?
Correct,
Correct
yes.
pair, Nishwan. P. Nishwan. Tell me.
Is that the correct pair?
Is this a correct pair? Yes or no?
Well, it's same.
No.
Answer.
Is this a correct pair?
Is that the correct pair? Both are the correct colors, same color? Blue color, huh? Both are blue color, huh? Yes or no?
This is
Yes
a
or
correct
no?
pair.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Show me your thumb like this. Show me your thumb.
Show
Yes,
your thumb.
this is a correct
Yes.
map. This is a correct map.
Okay, this is the correct.
Correct,
No, this is not match. Is this match? Please go and mute everyone. I will ask. Yes, Jasna, go and unmute. Please reply me. Is this a correct pair?
Is
Yes.
this correct pair?
Yes. Now one standing. Is this a correct pair? Yes. This is the correct pair. Like that, you have also do. I will ask one by one everyone, okay? So, now turn is Jasna, your turn.
John, வா. கரெக்டா பாருங்க, வா, உட்காரு. நான் கரெக்டா இருந்தா yes சொல்லு.
Jasna, show me your socks. I want to see. Yes, I am able to see. I will come to one by one to everyone, okay? Don't feel sad, okay? And see how Jasna is doing. You have to do. Jasna, don't put it in correct way, okay? You can ask me. Then I will say yes or no. Is this a correct pair or not, okay? Yes. Parents give a socks. Parents don't do. Let it be one socks you can arrange and another one kids has to arrange. That is a matching activity. Yeah. Give a socks box or plate what you have in your hand. Give her 3 socks like this to kids.
Good, come. Is it correct, huh? Is this
Don't-
correct?
Don't help kids. Don't parents. Don't help to the kids. Let them do.
இங்க வைக்கணுமா? Wait, is this correct?
No.
Is this correct?
Yes, very good. Wow, Jasna, you did very correctly. Where's the third one, Jasna? Where's the third one? You did 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Very
Very
good, Jasna. Everyone clap for Jasna. I want to see. Everyone clapping. Do everyone clap. Jasna want to see. For appreciate Jasna. Do clap. Yes. Now service, your turn. Service. Now you have to do. You have socks or not? Service, I want to see your socks. Service, your turn. Yes. Do. Yes, come. Sir, can you please
Yeah, okay.
lift
Please,
your,
please.
laptop or phone? Yes, I want to see, sir. Yes. One socks only parents has to arrange with one row, and that 3 or 4 socks, what socks you have, give it to the kids. Yes. Give it to the kids. Everyone, give it to the kids. Yes, give it to the kids. Let them arrange with correct manner. Yes. Yes. Service parents, what happens, sir? If it will take time, I will go to the another kids. Okay? Okay. Service parents, can you please confirm me? Kaushik, now you have to arrange. I want to see. Ma'am, can you please lift it? Yes. Ma'am, can you please lift it? Yes, I want to see Kaushik parents. Yes, I am able to see. I am able to see now. Yes. Let them first arrange you, ma'am, with the 3 way of socks in line by line, and that 3 another pair you give it to the kid, and let them. Kaushik has to arrange this. Okay. Ma'am, first socks you can you please arrange for the Kaushik? It will be easy for you. Yes. Yes. Can you please arrange one socks in the table itself, or plate? What you have, a cardboard? What you have, ma'am? Yes. 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 Very good. Yes. Do it in middle or side. Kaushik, can you please pair the socks? Okay. Very good, Kaushik. Everyone clap for Kaushik.
Yes.
Everyone clap for Kaushik. Now, service, come to you. I will come to you. Kaushik parents, can you please go and mute?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Service, your turn. Yeah. Show me your socks. Yes. Arrange. I want to see your socks. I could not able to see your socks. Sir, if you have a phone, please do a back camera, or else you can lift your laptop like this, or I can able to see. Yes. Service parent, are you there, sir? I want to see. Yes. Ma'am, I could not able to see her socks, ma'am. Can you please lift your camera or put it, if you have a phone, you put it in back side, back camera, and I will able to see. Yes, service. Did you matched?
Yes,
Did you
yes.
match? Yes. Everyone clap for service. Do clap. Do clap. Or rocket clap. What you have to do? Rocket clap. Do rocket clap. Rocket clap. How do you do rocket clap? Show me. Show me the rocket clap. Boom. Boom. Yay. Now, Nishwant. Nishwant, your turn. Yeah. Go in mute. Unmute. Service, go in mute. Yes. Wow. Very good. Is this a correct? Oh, wow. Show me the third one. Oh, is this a correct pair?
Yes, Sulu.
Yes.
Wow, very good. Yay, clap for
Thank you, Sulu.
Nishwant. Clap for Nishwant. Clap for Nishwant, everyone. Do the clap activity for the Nishwant. Do the clap, 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 clap. Rain activity, rain clap, rain clap, rain clap. Do the rain clap, rain clap, rain clap. Pitta patta, pitta patta, pitta patta, pitta patta, pitta patta. Yay, yes, very good. Go in mute. Nishwant, P. Nishwant, now your turn.
Okay. Seriya, first ఇది okay.
Okay, Nishwant, can you please tell me the color of socks first?
Okay. First, what color is this? Okay. What color is
White.
this? Okay.
Okay.
Black. Okay. What color is this?
Purple.
Yeah. Okay.
Very
So-
good, Nishwant.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Is
you
this-
Yes,
is this-
give it to the
Okay.
all socks to the Nishwant.
Okay.
Let her in pair.
Correct.
Yes.
ఏ socks ఎక్కడ correct?
Arrange this
ఈ
correctly.
socks ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలా?
Arrange this correctly.
Same color. Same color.
Put it in same color. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Wow, very correctly you did, huh? Everyone clap, 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 rocket clap, clap, rocket clap, rocket clap. Boom. 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 Yay, very nice, very nice. Harshit, now your turn. Please switch on your camera and show me your socks. Harshit, switch on your camera. Harshit, parents. Yes. Yes. Please help Harshit. Yes. Now lift your camera. I want to see her socks and how he will do the activity. Service, can you go in mute? My voice will be echo. Yes, do. Yes,
కూర్చో.
come. Set and do. Then we do the another activity. What activity is that? Can anyone unmute? Go and unmute and tell me. Next activity is what? What? Vegetables. Yes, you remind me, huh? Very good. How you mash? How you not like this? Harshit, don't do like this. Harshit, parents.
హర్షిత్.
Did you did? I can't able to see, baby. Can you please do?
Yes.
చూడు కన్నా.
What happened, ma'am? Ma'am, what happened?
హర్షిత్.
Yes.
Okay. Show me, ma'am. Please, can you please show or lift it or put it in back camera?
అరేంజ్.
Yeah, arrange in correct way. Arrange correct way. Very good. Don't throw this. Don't throw. Okay. Show me. Yes. Show to me. Then another one is a vegetable activity we can do. Yes. Very good.
హర్షి, what is this?
Everyone clap for the Harshit.
What is this?
What clap you can do? Rocket or pitter patter? What clap? Rocket clap. Do the rocket clap. How will do the rocket clap? Boom. Okay? Okay. Shall we do our next activity? Show me your thumb or not? If you don't show me your thumb, I will not do. Show me your thumb, otherwise I will not do the activity. Show me your thumb. First show me your thumb. How will show me dun 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 dun. Yeah, Dasna is doing. Nishwant is doing. Kaushik, where are you? Come, sit on your chair. Kaushik, Please sit down. Yes, do dun 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 dun. We do the next activity. Yay! Hooray! Hooray! Say hooray! 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 Okay. In one tray, you put your all
Yes,
vegetables
ma'am.
like this. Okay. And second one, you take another tray like this. I have a one empty tray. Yes. Or you put it on the table itself. Whatever you can do, do. Okay. I will lift my camera and do. See. Did you able to see or not? Show me your thumb. I want to see. Show me your thumb. I want to see. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. I want to see. I'm lifting my camera. Okay. Okay. See, I'm arranging one potato like this. Did you able to see? Did you see? I'm arranging one potato like this. Okay. One tomato like this. Like that socks you did. Same activity you can do this. And one onion like this. See. Okay. Now I'm pairing to this vegetables. Okay. And you can count it also. See, 1, I'm matching it, 2, and 3. I have a 4 potato. How many potato I have? 4 potato. I have a 4 potato.
Get out.
This is
Better.
the second one, tomato. 1, 2, 3 is a 3, and 4. I have a 4 tomato. And third one is what? Onion. The onion. Did you see? I have a 2 onions. How many onions? 2. Like that you have to also arrange. I will see everyone. I want to see. Lift your camera. I want to see everyone. Do it. Everyone do. Everyone do. Everyone do. Please switch on your camera. And I want to see and do. Yes, very good. Not in mingle way. Put it separate and arrange and count it. You can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you have. And show me what vegetables are there. I want to see what vegetables are there. Spell the name. Okay, first what vegetables you arrange, Kaushik? Kaushik, can you please tell me what vegetable you arrange? What is this? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Mango.
What is the first one? What is the first one?
What is this?
Yes.
Put it finger like this. Put your finger like this. Tomato, onion. There was a three vegetables in my tray. Here are 3 vegetables in my tray. Okay.
This.
Now Jasna, Kaushik, go in mute. Jasna, your turn. Show me. What vegetables you arranged and how many vegetables are there? Count it and say me. Count and say me. Jasna, go in mute. Go in unmute. Yes. How many vegetables are there?
How many vegetables?
5 vegetables. No, potato. How many vegetables?
How many potato? How many potato? One.
Two,
3.
3 potato. Wow, very good. Clap. How many tomatoes you have?
Tomato. 1.
One. Count it. 1,
என்னது இது?
2,
Hey, Uncle Paul.
3.
Uncle Paul.
Wow, 3 of sure, huh? Wow, very good. Now, Nishwant. Oh, you have a carrot also. Show me your carrot. Show me your carrot. Show me your carrot. Show me your carrot. Now you arrange and count it how many carrot you have, how many potato you have. Show me. Arrange it properly and show me
Yes,
and
ma'am.
count it. Put your finger on potato and count it. Yes, yes, very correct. Very nice, very nice. Wow,
Yes.
wow, wow. Now you arrange. Yes. Do fastly, then I will say one story for you, everyone. If you do slowly, then how I will say a story for you, everyone? Tell me. Yes. How many carrot you have? How many carrot you have? Show me. Count it. Put your finger and count it. Okay. Go in unmute. Go in unmute, Nishwan. Yes. Tell me.
Okay, count.
Kaushik parent, can you go in mute?
1, 2, 3.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5.
3, 4.
Okay. Carrot.
One, two, three. 3 carrot you have. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very to clap. Surveys. Surveys. Nishant, I came to you. Show me your potatoes, onion, or what vegetables you have. 3 vegetables you have. Okay. Just arrange it. Ma'am, can you please lift your camera a little bit? I want to see. Yes. Kaushik parents, can you please go in your mute, ma'am, please? Yes. Okay, service, your parents is where is your parents? Service. Okay, Nishwan, can you please do for me? P Nishwan. Now it's your turn. Yeah, go in
Okay.
unmute.
What vegetable is
Yes.
this?
Arrange it.
Hmm?
Potato,
What vegetable is this? This one.
tomato, very good.
This one?
Tomato, onion.
Okay. Take potato.
Ah,
Count and
very
count.
good.
How many potatoes are there?
2.
Good. Take potato. Good. Next. Okay. Take the next vegetable. Which one? 3.
Yes,
Next.
very good. Very good,
Next.
very good, very good.
Yeah.
I'm clapping.
Super.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many
Next.
onions,
What is this?
tomato you have, sorry? Yes, good. Very good.
3.
Yes. See everyone, Nishwant is doing. At home also you can do repeat with this vegetables or what you have. Give it to fruits, give it to anything, suppers, rice, box, everything you can give it to the kid to arrange it matching with matching. Okay, very good,
Very nice,
very
Nishwant.
good, Nishwan. Very nice, very nice. Now Harshit, your turn. Where is Harshit? Harshit, please switch on your camera and go in unmute. Harshit parents, can you please switch on your camera? Yes, very good. Harshit, show me your vegetables. I saw before. I want to see again. Show me.
You vegetables are
Show me your vegetables. Yeah. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Show me, show to me your vegetables. Where are you? Where are you? Ah, yes, tomato I saw. And another one.
What's this?
What is this, Harshit?
What's this question? No. Potato. Oh, why no?
Potato.
Yes.
No, he don't like. He don't like to do this activity. That's why. Okay, let it be. Don't force, ma'am. Harshit, Harshit, let it be, ma'am. It will be take time to mingle with us. No issue, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No issue. But
Please throw
everyone
away.
clap for Harshit. Everyone clap for Harshit. Okay?
Don't throw it. Say no.
Yay.
Yes.
Not an issue, ma'am. Let it be. Okay. I will clap for everyone and give a big star. I will
It
throw a
should
big
rub
star for everyone. They did very nicely. Okay. How I will do the star like this? Is this a correct star? Is this a correct star? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yeah. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. Thumb. Okay. Are you excited with the story? You want to listen the story or not? Please
Story
tell me.
kahana?
Yes or no? Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. Say dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm sharing my screen, okay? Okay. The story name was Rusty Crow. Are you able to see my screen or not? Can anyone please tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you see the video? Are you seeing the video or not?
No.
No, sir?
Yeah, able to see, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to see me or not? Can anyone tell me? Are you able to see me or not?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
able to see.
Okay. Thank you then. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children. Okay. What is the story name is? The Trusty Crow. Once upon a time, in one village, a crow was very thirsty. Okay, shall we start? Shall I start? Say dun 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 dun. Ma'am, please start the story. Say, can anyone say, ma'am, please start the story. Show me a thumb and okay. The thirsty crow. One hot summer day, a crow became very thirsty. I'm very thirsty. I'm very thirsty. Crow, crow, crow. What is the crow sound? Can you tell to me? Crow, 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 caw, caw. You can call a car. You can call a car like this. Caw, caw.
See?
Okay. Then cows run, fly on the sky to find a water. If you in the search of water. See, he's searching, but he did not get water. He was going to die for want of water. Oh, I'm very thirsty. Where is the water? I'm feeling very thirsty. Where is the water? I'm feeling very sad. I want to drink water. Where is the water? There was a well, but water was very less. He could not drink the water. Oh my God, I'm feeling so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. At last, he saw a pitcher. Pitcher means what? A pot. What is the meaning of pitcher? Pot. He saw a pot, a big pot. He at once a few to eat to great delight. He feeling happy to see that if there's water. See, Look at this picture. The water was so low that the crow could not drink it. Did you see in picture? The water is very low. How he will drink water? He can't drink, na? The water is very low. He could not drink it. Then he tried to break the pitcher. He will try and try and try again, and again, but could not try. Don't turn over the pitcher, but he failed. Now what he will do? See, look at the picture. But there was a little water at the bottom of the pitcher. The water is very low on the pot, inside the pot. Did you see? Say yes. Say yes. Can anyone unmute? Go and mute.
Kaka cooked that.
Yes. What is this? What is this? Yasna, can you please tell me what is this?
ഇത് കോ പഴക്കവേ ഇല്ല.
What is this?
What is the sound?
കോ.
What is the crow sound? Ka, 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 ka.
കോ.
Yes. He looked around and saw some pebbles lying nearby. He saw. What is the meaning of pebbles? Stones. So small stones was there. He saw a stones. He looked the stones. One by one and dropped them into the pitcher. One by one, he dropped a stone in the pot like this. He will do again and again, again and again. The water reached the neck of the pitcher. The water will be came up. Now he able to drink a water. He drink a water and flew away like this. He'll see, flew away, he's flying. He drank a water and feel very happy. He's feeling very happy to drink water. Okay, the moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. What is the moral of the story is? Just a second, I'm stopped presenting and I came back to you. Yes. What is the moral of the story? Can anyone tell me? If there is a will, there is a way. If you can't do anything, how you could get anything? Anna? Yes, say yes. Did you enjoy story or not? Say me, yes or no. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. Okay. Now it's time to say bye-bye. Now it's time to say bye-bye.
Say bye.
See you on Monday.